Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? Can you hear me? Musfa, can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
How are you?
Good.
Okay. You completed the worksheet?
Yes, miss. But the last two questions, I did not know how to do them.
Okay, start sharing your screen. I am uh, pausing my screen. I have stopped it. Yeah.
Oh, these two questions, I did not know. Like, what do I have to do over here?
Can you zoom this? Yeah, what is the question?
Like chemistry, you are working in Katy ISD Biology lab. Your teacher gives you an unknown mystery, like clear liquid. When you perform a
Mm-hmm.
Benedict's test, what's a Benedict's test?
Oh, we didn't do this. You can skip this question. That is when you will do lab work in the school, then I will explain you this. What is Benedict test? Because I can't teach you
Okay.
this online. This is practical. Okay, next question.
Yes.
What's
The next one
uh
was this one.
this is okay.
Like,
Look at
what do we have to do over here?
calculate complex carb and explain dietary fiber importance. They have mentioned in this, they have mentioned the carbohydrates are 29 gram, right? Fiber 4 gram, sugar 12 gram.
Yes.
Total fat is 6 grams, in which saturated fat is
Yes.
1 gram. So they are asking you to tell
Yes.
the complex carbs, just carbs. So how you will tell? Total is 29.
By subtracting like the complex carbohydrates 29 minus 16.
No, in the carbs, you see in the carbs in the bracket they have mentioned fiber is equal to 4 gram. Fiber is not carbohydrate, right?
Mm.
So you will minus this. Sugar is carbohydrate. So
Oh,
29.
29 grams minus 4
Yes, yes.
G. I can write it over here. Like
Yeah, you can
one
write it.
minute. 29
Hmm.
G G minus 1 minute plus 12 G.
Why you are adding it plus? You have to subtract this as
Huh?
well. You have to minus this as well.
Oh,
They are saying calculate
I'm
complex
missing voices.
carbs. Can you hear me?
Mm.
They are saying you have to mention complex carbohydrates. Okay,
Yes.
complex
No, like
carbohydrates
your
means
voice is breaking, but
okay, wait a minute. Complex carbohydrates mean you will minus fiber as well as you will subtract the sugars 12 gram from it. Okay, then
won't we add sugar?
no. They are talking about the complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are polysaccharides. Simple sugars are what?
Yes.
Simple sugars are
Except
monosaccharides.
sugar. Yes.
So you have to minus it because what they are asking? They are asking this about complex. So how we will get complex? Firstly, minus subtract the fibers, the weight of the fiber, and then subtract the weight of the sugar. This 29 minus 4 minus 12. Yeah, what you will get?
Say, 29 minus 29 minus miss, do we have to multiply this in the
No,
brackets?
no, just subtract. 29 is total, right? 29 is total carbohydrate. Okay.
Then
And in bracket, they have mentioned
25
dietary fibers are 4 gram.
13 1
Yes,
3.
13, 13. Okay. So the complex carbohydrate will be 13 grams. Okay. And what are
Yes,
the
I
benefits?
was doing. I was multiplying them. I was going to multiply them.
Hmm?
Okay. So I was going to do like 29 minus 16 is equal to 13.
Why? Why you were doing this?
Okay. I got it. I was
Okay.
adding the 12 and 4.
Hmm. Because these are simple sugar, simple carbohydrates. We have to subtract this. They are just talking
Mm.
about the complex carbohydrate. Okay.
So
So that
13
yeah, just 13. 13 will be our answer. Okay. And what are dietary fibers? You know about the dietary fibers?
dietary fiber, no.
Okay. We will discuss this. That sometimes we have discussed about the cellulose. That cellulose is a polysaccharide. You remember? Cellulose is
A
what is
polysaccharide.
yeah. So our body cannot digest cellulose. Our body can
Yes.
only digest glucose. Okay, it can
Yes.
only rely on simple sugars.
Yes.
So cellulose is a fiber. Okay, it acts like a fiber. It
Yes.
helps to make your food like a bulky food. This is not a
Okay.
part of our discussion, but I will explain you this. That sometime we take different type of dietary fibers. So those
Yes.
fibers help to make our food bulky, and they provide us. They help in different processes, like they prevent constipation in our body,
Yes.
and that is why there are these dietary fibers. Okay, can you scroll this up? I have to see. I have to check your answers.
1 minute, miss.
Where were we last time? Where we ended?
From here. We ended over here and we have to start from here.
Okay, health impact. The table was completed.
Ah, yes, we completed it yesterday.
Okay, okay.
I think uh
I think we were doing the.
I think so. Oh yes, only the cellulose is left. The cellulose primary biological function because cellulose was a polysaccharide, I know. I
Hmm.
remember.
So it is what? What is the function of
One
cellulose?
minute.
It is not the primary source.
No, no, I'm not saying the primary source.
Okay.
Uh, like it's the structural material.
Yeah, it present in plant cell wall. So
Yeah,
plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. That's why we say that
cellulose.
plant structure relies on the cellulose. Without cellulose, the plant structure will not be stable structure. Okay.
Yes. Plant wall.
Cell wall. Cell wall.
Sorry, cell wall.
Are you okay?
Yes.
I think you have
Uh,
flu or. Hmm?
yeah, miss, I have pollen allergy. I don't know, like, why is it triggering today?
Hmm. May Allah Ta'ala bless you with great health.
Um,
And- Okay. Next is the cellulose mystery, right? 1.4. You can remove this 13.
Yeah,
How you have written the here. Okay. The cellulose mystery. This is about plant structural integrity. Can you read the question and tell me what they
I
are
have
asking?
humans can easily digest starch for energy, but we cannot digest cellulose fiber, even though both are made entirely of glucose units. Explain why our digestive system can break down starch but passes cellulose right through.
Hmm. Yeah. What they are asking?
They're asking like humans can they are saying that humans can digest starch for energy easily, but we cannot digest. They're saying but humans cannot digest cellulose fiber, even though they're made both from entirely glucose
Hmm.
units.
Even though
Like they're saying like
they both are
why like
carbohydrate. Hmm.
explain why our digestive system can break down starch but passes cellulose right through.
Hmm. It means cellulose is not digested in our digestive system. Our digestive system cannot digest cellulose. Why? What you have mentioned? You have mentioned alpha bond. From where
No,
it
like
have? Huh?
no, not alpha volt. I'm sorry, I'm erasing them.
Hmm. Okay.
It was for my other class. Sorry.
Oh. Okay,
This
okay.
was not, I wrote it over this.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now explain me your answer. What is this?
Okay, so like humans can digest starch, but not cellulose because like there are two molecules that have been present in our types of bonds between our glucose units, and our digestive enzymes can only break one of them. Humans digest starch because uh, it analyzes.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Amylase breaks it. Amylase is an enzyme. Oh, yeah. Why it happens all the time?